Hello and thanks for checking out TheChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Checking in on SPY, IWM, and QQQ, the bulls are in absolute full control, breaking out. What has stood out the past 3 days is the close at the high of the day that shows momentum and follow through. And you can see in the past when we've seen these bull moves and we're closing up at the highs, it leads to significant follow through. So until we see a bearish reversal candlestick, we're looking for this move to continue. When we do see a bearish reversal candlestick, we will anticipate normal healthy consolidation, which will form another higher low compared to 248.08 and keep this uptrend intact. The weekly time frame a bit extended, but again, what does extended mean when you're running the entire year and at blue sky breakout, no resistance levels? It doesn't really mean much. So we could keep going as long as the bull volume is there and this keeps up. We have no sign to be doing anything bearish. If anything, we're protecting bullish positions and looking to protect profit. But in terms of making bearish entries, we have to see signs of weakness. We can't just assume that we're going to see these signs of weakness. IWM, I mean, this move is just unheard of in terms of what we've done in September into the start of October, specifically the last 4 days where we've gone a significant jump of $5, and look at the close at the all-time high, up at the high of the day, increasing bull volume above the upper Bollinger Band. No slowdown in sight. We've seen higher lows on the daily time frame now. At this point on IWM, the higher lows have lasted 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 17 days of higher lows, and that is a ton of bull strength with the weekly time frame in full-on breakout mode, very similar to what we saw on the election in November. And again, the closes at the high of the week showing that momentum and follow through. QQQ on the daily, not as strong. It's still an all-time high today, and actually I take that back. It was XLK that got the all-time high. QQQ formed a lower high by 20 cents, and it's an indecision candlestick. So the bulls are still right there and looking for follow through, but it's clearly the weakest out of these three because SPY and IWM have been hitting all-time highs for days on end right now, where QQQ has not. They're just making it back to that level. So again, it's the tech sector lagging behind a little bit. Today it was the major names in the tech sector. We had Amazon, Facebook, Google, Netflix just not really seeing much upside, and that is why we're seeing QQQ lag behind. The weekly time frame is still very healthy. You know, if you look at this, not comparing it to anything, it's an extremely bullish chart. It's just compared to the raging bull charts, it stands out as the weakest. So our higher low on the weekly is 142.10, and the bulls are still remaining in full control with the middle Bollinger Band and higher lows and higher highs. So that's what we've got as we head into tomorrow, short and sweet, because we have no resistance levels. The only resistance is the high of today, followed by psychological levels. And in terms of support, we're looking at hourly 20 period because we have run above all support levels in the near term. So hourly 20 period will be the first level we look to on consolidation. Thanks again. We'll see you tomorrow.